Since our inception in 1985, the world has undergone a change at an enormous pace. But what remains the same is the bond we have shared over the years. We have been serving towards the betterment of mankind and will serve for generations to come. When it comes to quality, no one wants a compromise. We have been renovating ourselves to meet the quality demand standards and will continue to do so. Chamunda Welding Works. We are a quality and a leading name in the field of paver block, rubber mold and machine tools. From well-equipped machinery and fabrication tools facilities and utilizing AutoCAD design, engineering software and modern methods of quality standards. We are a leading manufacturer and exporter of hydraulic machine, tiles machine, vibrator paver block machine, automatic paver block machine, trolley machine, brick machine, pan mixture and color mixture. 7. G Exports. A title conferred on companies that meet the international standard of quality and excellence. We deal in exporting fruits and vegetables, mild steel plate, constructing machinery and plant and ceramic tiles and sanitary ware. We have taken traditional export-import companies by tempest and enjoy making challenging tasks possible. We are a team of young, experienced, dynamic individuals and have not just achieved new heights in our profession, but also know team dynamics, market insights, client management and sourcing knowledge. We have thrived and established ourselves on the hard work of our enterprising people with only aim to supply quality and genuine products to meet the market standards.
Chamunda Welding Works. And 7. G Exports. Quality is our specialty.